Okay, so this is just a basic exponential growth formula, but this percent here, this is 9% expressed as a decimal, and all that is I said it was between 6% and 12% that you could earn by investing, right? So I just averaged them. 6 plus 12 is 18, divided by 2 is 9%. And you're going to be investing that once a year for 40 years. We're just assuming you get paid once a year, $200,000. It's not accurate. You get paid every month, but anyway, so let's do the math and see what happens. We'll use this cool calculator. I don't think I've shown you it's from Switzerland. I'll show you. This calculator is metal. Anyway, it's a very cool calculator. It's called reverse Polish notation. If you ever want to learn about it, let me know. Okay, so let's do it. It uses stacks. That's why I like it. Okay, so let's actually clear that first stack there. And we're going to do this like this. So what is the first operations to add that, right? 1.09 raised to the 40th power. 1.09. Okay, and then if you look here, if I press this yellow soft key, it will raise y to the x. Think about that for a minute. So I need to put the 1.09 in the y register. So I hit enter. Pushes it up there, okay? And now I need to raise it to the x, which is 40, right? 40 years. Okay? So this is going to give us kind of like our multiplier to multiply by 200,000, okay? So everything's set up. Y to the x, soft key, yellow, boom. There it is. So now we're going to take that number and we're going to hit enter. Put it in the register, and now we're going to type 200,000 and then hit this key and watch what happens. Ready? I just have to hit the multiplication symbol. That's why it's reverse Polish notation. You're going to see the stack collapse. It's going to multiply 200,000 by 31.40942000540. $6,281,884. Okay. So 6.281,884 million. Okay, what that means is in 40 years, your first $200,000 that you make, I mean, we're assuming, of course, that you put the entire $200,000 in the stock market. It's a little excessive, right? But assuming that you did, you'd end up with 6.28 million. Here's an interesting thing to consider. What if, instead of investing only once a year, you invested every month? All you'd have to do to change this formula, I'm just saving you an entire semester of of financial math, is that. That's it. You see the thing skyrocket. What you're going to see is that this number converges towards the transcendental number E, which is 1.212 or something. Anyway, that's it. So when I said 8 million, I was doing in my head. I think I did it wrong. But yeah, so $6.2 million for 2 more years? You know, I think I would do it.